Hello students, today we will do the question answer of lesson number 3rd in history. Yes, oral question to yourself. मैं आप करने आपको oral questions. Next है identify the following with the help of clues given. The system of land revenue collection under which rate of revenue was fixed forever. Permanent settlement. Okay. Next है the rights to collect revenue was given to the company by the then Mughal Emperor Shah Alam. In this system, cultivator grow indigo on rented land. Nice method. Cultivators directly paid land revenue of British official under this system. Royal system. In this system, farmer grow indigo in his own land. Rayoti method. Okay. Next है आपका choose correct answer. The East India Company was appointed as a Diwan of Bengal in 1765. The famine of 1770 resulted in the death of about 10 million people. Next है who wrote नील दर्पण. नील दर्पण किसने राइट किया था? दीनबंधु मित्र. लास्ट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट fill in the blanks. Under the permanent settlement, the Raja and Talukdar were made the Jamidar. The East India Company was appointed as Diwan of Bengal by the Mughal Emperor Shah Alam. The British stabilized their plantation in Assam, Bengal and Kerala. The Mehalwari system was a modified form of Jamidari system. Okay. Next, true or false. Thousands of youth refused to grow indigo in 1859. It's true. The permanent settlement was introduced in Madras in 1773. False. The Mehalwari settlement benefited the company more than the permanent settlement. True. By getting Diwani, company become the chief financial administrator of Bengal. Is true. Answer the following question briefly. Following questions के आंसर आपको देने हैं. Why were riots reluctant to grow indigo? Page number 75. Here हेडिंग है ना इंडिगो रिवॉल्ट और ब्लू रिवेलियन. तो इसमें आप देखिए जो सेकंड पैराग्राफ की सेकंड लाइन. थाउजेंड of peasants refuse to grow indigo anymore because cultivation of indigo are more because cultivation of the indigo make the land barren. क्योंकि क्यों बंद कर दिया था उन्होंने? क्योंकि उससे लैंड बैरन हो रही थी. ठीक है, बंजर हो जाती थी भूमि. नेक्स्ट है आपका हाउ डिड द इंग्लिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी ऑर्गेनाइज द लैंड रेवेन्यू सिस्टम. पेज नंबर 76 पर है आपका थिंग्स टू रिमेंबर. देखिए द ब्रिटिश इंट्रोड्यूस 3 सिस्टम ऑफ रेवेन्यू कलेक्शन नेमली द परमानेंट सेटलमेंट, द महलवारी सिस्टम एंड रॉयलवारी सिस्टम. ओके, हेयर टू हेयर फ्रॉम पॉइंट टू रिमेंबर. नेक्स्ट है आपका व्हाट वाज रॉयलवारी सिस्टम. ओपन द पेज नंबर 74. रॉयलवारी सिस्टम हेडिंग है आपका रॉयलवारी सिस्टम. In 1820, the company adopted the Rajbari settlement in Mysore and Karnataka and later extended in Bombay and Madras. They felt that there were no traditional jamidar in South India and settlement had to be made with the cultivator who has to cultivate the land for generation. The fields were carefully served before the revenue was fixed. The revenue demand was very high. Okay, here to here. Understand? Why did permanent system fail to generate the desired revenue for the British? Your long question, first long question, page number 73 ओपन करेंगे इसके लिए हम. ठीक है, पहले ये क्यों फेल हुआ था आपका परमानेंट सिस्टम, तो इसके जो रीज़न है वो राइट करेंगे आप। पहले यहाँ पे राइट करिएगा हेडिंग रीज़न फॉर फेलर होने के लिए क्या रीज़न थे इसके। द अमाउंट, राइट देम, द अमाउंट दे हैड टू पे टू द कंपनी रिमाइंड द सेम, हाउएवर इट द जमींदार वर अनेबल टू पे द फिक्स रेवेन्यू ऑन द टाइम, दे लॉस्ट देयर जमींदारी राइट्स। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट, a peasant failing to repay the debts was evicted from the land which was being tilled by his family since many generations. Hence, the condition of peasant got lost. ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर है आपको। फर्स्टली राइट हेयर टू हेयर, देन राइट हेयर टू हेयर। ओके, रीजन। नेक्स्ट है राइट अ शॉर्ट नोट ऑफ इंडिगो रिवॉल्ट। इंडिगो रिवॉल्ट्स पर आपको शॉर्ट नोट राइट करना है। पेज नंबर 75 ओपन करिए आप। फर्स्टली, एन इम्पोर्टेंट रेवेलियन टुक प्लेस एट द बंगाल इन 1859 कॉल्ड इंडिगो रिवॉल्ट। फर्स्टली राइट हेयर टू हेयर। फिर नेक्स्ट लास्ट पैराग्राफ, in 1860 the angry rebellion dragged the cultivators and beat them up, and this indigo revolt had to strong effect. On same day, 3,000 rebellion went on a march and the police could not take any action. Later on 20th March, they attacked a factory with spear and swords. They also attacked the Loknathpur and Chadupur factories. Even women took parts in a revolt. Firstly hair to hair, then hair to hair. Next, the government actually brought in the military to protect the planter. A commission was set up in inquire into the system of indigo production. After the inquiry, the planters were held guilty. They were criticized for using forceful method. Why? With the riots, it started that indigo production did not bring profit to the riots, so they could refuse the contract in future but fulfill the existing one. Here to here. Okay, is the answer of your second question. थर्ड क्वेश्चन है आपका, डिस्कस ब्रीफली द इफोर्ट ऑफ लैंड रेवेन्यू सिस्टम। इसको कट कर दीजिए। ओके, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको नेक्स्ट लेक्शन एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। थैंक यू।